Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita and welcome back to my series, 30 Days of Yoga with This Curvi Yogi. And today we are going to work on plank and side plank. So this is going to require a little bit of arm strength. It's going to build some arm strength. So just get ready for that. Grab your mat and we'll get started. So we're going to start in table position. So the wrists are underneath the shoulders, knees under the hips. And we're just going to start with a little bit of a table balance. So from here you're going to extend that right foot out and then lift it in line with the leg, keeping the core engaged. And then reaching the left arm out in front of you. One full breath. And then release. And then extending the left foot, engaging the core, bringing that navel closer to the spine. Lift the left leg in line with the hip, and then reaching the right arm in front. One full breath. And release. And from here we're going to come into a modified plank first, and then a modified side plank. So bring the knees back so that your hips are forward of your knees. You're coming into a modified plank. And then from here, you're going to extend that right foot out and then plant it down on the side. And then bring the right arm up. And the left knee is still on the mat. Modified side plank. And then exhale, coming back down. We'll come back into table. And then walk the hands forward again. Modified plank. Then extend the left foot. Plant it down in line with the short edge of the mat, and then lift the left arm. And then exhale back down, bring that knee back in. Then we'll go through the table balance again. So extending the right foot, engaging the core, lift the right leg, and then lift the left arm. One full breath. Exhale down. Extend the left foot. Lift the leg. Engaging the core. Reach the right arm in front. And then exhale down. So we come back into full plank and full side plank. So extend the right foot, and the left, plank. Then we're going to turn to the right and lift. And exhale. Lower down. Back on the heels. 2 full breaths. And then coming back down to table, coming back into the full plank. So extending the left foot and the right. Coming over to the left, lifting the left arm. And then exhale down. So the hips back onto the heels. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Hey guys, and thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below and hit the bell for notifications. Remember that all these flows are designed for you to make your own sequence and practice them at home. So I hope you will go back and check out the other videos. and I hope to see you in my next video.